Season's greetings to your family from the KFC family.
Hi, I'm Kamoni McCarthy from the Morant Bay KFC. I would like to send season greetings to my son Akeem, my mom Lilith, all my relatives and friends, and to all my KFC co-workers. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi guys, my name is Cynthia Douglas, area manager with KFC Jamaica. I would love to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I want to send special greetings to my ROJ family, my friends, and my church family. A Merry Christmas again and blessings to you all.
Hi, my name is Melissa Fisher-Williams. I'm from the Morant Bay KFC. I'm sending season greetings to my son, my husband, my family, and also my co-workers. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it's come.
Hello everyone, my name is Miss Brown. I'm from Morant Bay KFC. I would love to send season greetings to my mom, my son, and the rest of my KFC family. Merry Christmas.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Garden from Morant Bay KFC. I'd like to send Christmas greetings to my family, my friends, and also to my KFC family. Merry Christmas!
My name is Simone Finlayson. I'm from the Morant Bay KFC. I would like to send Merry Christmas greetings to my families and friends and loved ones, and also to the staff of Morant Bay KFC.
Hey guys, my name is Sabrina Bale and I'm from Morant Bay KFC. I would like to send greetings to my mom, my dad, my little brothers and sister, my rest of my family members living in Clarendon, and I would like to send greetings to my co-workers at Morant Bay KFC. Have a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Hi, my name is Colin Jackson Francis. I'm sending greetings to my families and friends. My auntie in England, Auntie Faye, I love you. My auntie in Cayman, my mom, my dad, my sister, my three lovely kids, my husband, Lamar Francis, love you so much. Also my KFC family.
Hi, my name is Daniel Cadington, representing from the Morant Bay KFC branch, sending greetings to my friends and family across the world and also my fellow KFC family.
Hello, my name is Akeem Thompson and I'm from Morant Bay KFC, and I would like to send greetings to my friends and family abroad and also my KFC family. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from KFC Morant Bay.
Season's greetings to your family from the KFC family.
Celebrate being together with a KFC Festive 9 bucket for $4,500. Proceeds from each festive feast purchase go towards hurricane relief. KFC is finger licking good.